Khas IT presents Chai Shai with Aisha Season 2 powered by Square 89 Studio. Khas IT is your one-stop shop for all IT solutions. Today I have this very beautiful soul, this all-in-one I can say, a professional artist, a professional author, a published author, and a numerologist as well. And we have none other than Miss Pari Sagar. Drum roll nahi hai, hum hi baja lenge drum roll. I'm so happy and glad that you're here. I have heard your story, I've known your work since a long while now, and I'm finally having you here on board. So it's like a dream come true for me. Every guest who comes here, I feel so privileged sitting with them. यू नो उनके अचीवमेंट्स के, उनके जर्नी के बारे में बात करते हैं, उनके स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में, कैसे उन्होंने ओवरकम किया, एंड दे आर हियर टू शेयर दैट विद द वर्ल्ड. तो मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है आज आपके बारे में जानने के लिए और भी ज़्यादा. तो मैंने और थोड़े अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए फ्रेम करके रखे हैं. सो वेलकम.
Thank you, Aisha, for giving me this opportunity to share my story with you.
All right, very first thing, we'll start with your art journey. Like, what basically motivated you to start this art journey?
What motivated me? My father.
Your father.
When anything comes in front of me, what motivated? It's the beginning, if I say, my childhood experiences. It's my father.
Your father.
Who pushed me to this field. And he said, you know, whatever you do, Pari, but you will still come to the art field. And I said, no, I'll go to the commerce. Because, you know, I want to pursue the commerce in my college and become a CA. Then he said, no, that's not you. You will come to the art fraternity and you will see.
Okay.
And that made me realize that, you know, okay, how much he was true. So I always keep in front of me and take his blessings and then move ahead.
Amazing. And usually ऐसा नहीं होता, पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट नहीं करते. यू नो लाइक आर्ट इज अ फुल टाइम थिंग, या फिर ले बच्चा तुझे आर्ट पसंद है, आप फुल टाइम अचीव कर लो. इट्स वेरी रेयर. बट उनको ऐसा लगता है शायद मेरा बच्चा इसमें अचीव कुछ ना कर पाए, यू नो. सो वो लोग दूसरा ही कुछ सोचते हैं हमारे अच्छे के लिए, बट ऐसे होता है. बट आई एम सो ग्लैड योर फादर थॉट द अदर वे अराउंड कि परी नहीं बच्चा तू कर ले, मैं तेरे लिए सब ला के दूंगा, तू आर्ट कर ले.
बिल्कुल. I remember when I was in grade 10 and he said, you know, why don't you just pursue your passion, just paint and scribble whatever you would like to do it. And I said, you know, let's start with the portrait. And I used to do portraits and all that. And luckily, around where I used to stay, there was a studio and there was a places where you can really go to the places like JJ School of Arts, and you go there and you observe, you feel that art, and that's the base, I would say.
That's the base. All right. And I heard that you are left-handed.
Yes.
When did you realize that?
It's not like I realized it. It's my parents realized it.
कि मेरा बच्चा सब लेफ्ट हैंड से कर रहा है.
हाँ वही तो, because you know when I used to during the school times when you try to eat, you are trying to eat with the left and then you know somebody put your hand down. It's always the right hand, you have to put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
And then I said okay, so you know बच्चा confused हो जाता है. And then you start say okay, with the right you eat and the left you write. And that's how, you know, I started building up. So from the year 4 I started writing with the left-handed and that's how.
Amazing. And I heard they're very very creative. No wonder.
Thank you.
And you actually look like a proper artist. मतलब पूरे colors छा गए आपके ऊपर माशाल्लाह से.
Thank you.
Okay. So this one, you were just telling me that you came to Dubai, I think 33 years back.
Yeah.
When Dubai was just a baby. I think एक building थी, उस ज़माने में आ गए आप.
जी.
You have seen Dubai grow.
Yes.
And you have excelled and flourished here.
Yes.
I mean like along with Dubai.
Yeah.
सही है ना ये?
Yeah.
तो वाने कितनी नसीब की बात है. हम तो फोटोज में देख रहे थे, आप बोल रहे थे मैंने देखा है आयशा आंखों से, तुम क्या बता रही हो?
Absolutely. I came in 1991. So if you see UAE got united at 7 Emirates in 1971 when I was born.
Wow.
So you know I calculate like that because numerologist है ना वो हमेशा अपने हिसाब से देखते हैं क्यों ये जगह मुझे ज़्यादा खींचती है.
अच्छा.
You know why
yes.
this country is pulling me more than my home country. Definitely I'm from India. But you know अगर मैं अभी देखूं तो I have lived more here than
in India. Yes.
So now I can say I have a two motherland.
Yeah.
You know, this is my homeland where I was born, and here it is like, you know, I've grown over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can imagine that. And who inspired you to start learning numerology?
हाँ, किस्मत.
किस्मत है.
Yeah.
Like what got you there? फिर numbers पे इतना प्यार क्यों हो गया कि numbers ही सीख लिए आपने पूरे?
Numbers, sometimes things happen. जैसे अभी मैंने बोला कि 1971,
Mm.
how UAE got united. 1991,
Mm.
after 20 years, I came here.
Mm.
And जैसे numbers speak to me.
Okay.
A lot, in many a times, the things happened. जैसे मैंने आज सोचा कि मैं अभी इंडिया जाऊंगी,
Mm.
तो वो डेट आ जाएगा. And the next year, if I'm planning or something or the other, I'm doing it, it comes to the same date.
Wow. Okay.
And then I realized that कि I did not plan this, but it is happening.
Mm.
So वो हमेशा मुझे खींचता रहता था कि ये क्यों मैं देखती हूँ, like why am I seeing the same dates again and again.
Mm.
और जैसे I'm born on 22nd.
Mm.
So 22nd are called as a master numbers.
Okay.
So if I see in my family, my husband is 22nd, I'm 22nd, my son is 11. So then master number speaks to each other.
Mm. Okay.
And lot of number talks happened. And my father was an astrologer. So something, clicked in me that, कि मुझे ये पढ़ना है,
Mm.
मुझे समझना है न्यूमरोलॉजी क्या चीज़ है, ये मुझे इस तरह से क्यों खींचती है, and why things are happening again and again with the same formation,
Mm.
with the numbers.
Mm.
how एक डेट के बाद ये दूसरी डेट आ रही है, तो they come and give me a lot of information.
Okay.
So why this information is it relative, or is it something giving me a lot of intuition?
Hints? हाँ.
Yeah. So that's how it works.
I think your grandfather was also a bit supportive in this numerology के लिए.
Yes, and I wouldn't say he was a mathematician. I
He
would say.
was, mashallah.
Yes, so he was a mathematician. He used to always make me sit next to him. And परी अभी हम मैथ्स करेंगे साथ में, तो वैसे ही करके हमने मैथमेटिक्स साथ में पढ़ा.
सीखा है.
और उनको कभी अकाउंटेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. हमेशा मुझे फादर बोलते थे मेरे कि he is on his own. He doesn't need any accountant. He will calculate like this. So that's how it intrigued me a lot.
Okay. So एक artist plus एक numerologist, and then you were like मेरे को रुकना ही नहीं है, क्यों रुकूं मैं जाके अभी बुक भी लिख दूंगी. And
Yeah.
you are like unstoppable person. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ लाइफ में करना है करके. Then you wrote 2 books on numerology, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I think we have one of your books here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Aisha.
You're going to sign it for me.
Yes, I will. This is the numerology book.
This is the one.
This is the second one.
The Art of Achieving Success Through Numbers.
Yes.
What is this book all about? How can you be successful with the numbers? ये बताएं. Just a quick blurb, although we have it behind for our audience.
Okay, how we can have a success with numbers.
I'm happy. One more thing before I go. The other day I saw a reel on Instagram.
Okay.
He was talking about 11/11.
Yeah.
कि वो रात को बोले कि आप कभी भी कर लो, रात के 11:11 को करो आप रील पोस्टिंग, और आप देखो वायरल नहीं हुआ तो मेरा नाम चेंज करना. फिर कमेंट्स में सब लोग हाँ मेरा हुआ करके लिख रहे थे. और मैं यहाँ पे 11:11 देख रही हूँ वापस यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल.
इसका भी बारे में बताना है आपने 11:11 के बारे में. एक
What
तो अभी
people
this one.
look for
Okay.
in their life.
To be successful and happy.
Of course.
हाँ.
Yeah. Happiness उसको नहीं मालूम है,
हाँ.
लेकिन सक्सेस के पीछे भाग गई.
हाँ.
राइट. बट वो चीज़ क्या है, सक्सेस क्या है आपके लिए?
मेरे लिए सक्सेस इज बीइंग कंटेंट. जो भी मैं छोटा बड़ा जो भी हो, मेरे लिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं एक स्पेसिफिक बड़ा है. आई एम हैप्पी विद द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग आई हैव.
Okay.
जैसे आई एम सिटिंग विद यू, दिस इज मेकिंग मी वेरी हैप्पी एट द मोमेंट.
Okay.
आई लीव विद दैट. ऐसा मेरे लिए अलग डेफिनेशन है.
Okay. So now if I say that मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ, मुझे पार्किंग के लिए दिक्कत हो रही है,
इसलिए मैं नीचे आई ना आपके लिए. तभी तकलीफ हो गई मेरे को कि ये कैसे दिक्कत में करी गई, तो मैं नीचे आ गई, तब तक आप आ गए थे.
जी. अभी वो आपको पार्किंग मिल गई तो वो सक्सेस हुआ.
यस.
अगर नहीं मिली तो आपका टाइम वेस्ट हुआ.
हाँ नहीं, मैं आती ना आपके लिए, फिर वाने लंबा खींचती आपके लिए.
Similarly, everything, if you have short-term goals and long-term goals, and then you have to achieve your success, whether it's your education, you're finding a life partner, or something, if you want to have your business to be flourish, this is how it is.
Okay.
And I have motivated many of my clients. Not only that, if I look into my client's perspective, I have really hand-holded them and moved ahead.
Yes.
So this is how I've seen their growth as well.
I-
When I'm prospering, I want my people around me
Yes.
to prosper as well.
Mm.
So then you are in a win-win situation.
Yes.
So सक्सेस ऐसे मेरे लिए एक अलग होगा, आपके लिए कुछ अलग होगा.
Absolutely.
So the art of achieving success through numbers, it's building through your date of birth.
Okay.
So date of birth is the building block where nothing can be changed. It is the same.
You know what?
Hmm.
And no wonder, like I have couple of numerologists at AES as well. बात करते हैं 5 मिनट में मेरे को डेट ऑफ बर्थ पूछना है. Ashak, may I know your date of birth? I'm like this, and they are like, अच्छा, you have a bright future. You are this, you are that. मैंने बोला सब सेम बोल रहे हैं इसमें मेरे बारे में. मतलब I'm getting now why date of birth. Okay.
Yeah,
वहाँ
so
से
it's a
शुरू होता
building block, right?
है. Okay.
आयशा बाद में पढ़ा नाम आपका.
हाँ.
पहले क्या आया? Date of birth.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, so that's how, that's a blueprint. और
Uh,
ब्लूप्रिंट को देख के आपके बारे में बता सकता है.
okay.
सो उसके बारे में आप किस तरह से आपका लाइफ आगे बढ़ेगा.
Mm.
विच कंट्री सूट्स यू मोर.
Okay, ये भी होता है.
Where do you prosper more?
Mm.
Sometimes you there's a town girl जैसे छोटे शहरों से आती है. Then they go to the big space.
Yeah.
Why?
Mm.
Because to find the success
Yes.
they want to achieve, right?
Yes.
कुछ अपने सपने पूरे करने आते हैं.
Mm.
कुछ सपने पूरे होते हैं, कुछ सपने नहीं होते.
नहीं होते हैं.
तो वही चक्कर में आप क्या कर रहे हो? जूझ रहे हो.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So that is your building block. Again,
Okay. Mm.
success बाद में आया.
बाद में आ जाता है. Got it. And ये इसका चक्कर क्या 11-11 का?
11 is a master number.
Again?
Okay.
Okay.
So 11 is a master number, right?
Okay, and
I said
22?
11, 22, 33.
Okay.
जैसे कि कोई भी follow up number
Divisibles
same.
of 11 basically.
Yes.
हाँ.
So 11 मेरे लिए खास है क्योंकि I would say that this turning point for me.
Okay. 11 was your turning point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I gave birth to my son.
वो टाइम पे?
वो टाइम पे नहीं, वो डेट पे.
वो डेट पे. Okay. That's nice.
Yeah, so this is like for me as a numerologist,
Mm.
then I study.
Mm.
I study क्यों, कैसे, what is
Plan
that?
तो नहीं था ना वो?
हाँ?
Plan था? Plan करके?
No.
No, it was
no,
okay.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, so for me it's like that. I always keep it. लेकिन उसको भी नहीं मालूम, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. मैं अपने हिसाब से लिख रही हूँ numbers के बारे में. And then I reflected कि ये एक चीज़ और एक नज़रिए से देखा जा सकता है. But 11 is something where nobody can stop you. Never give up. I've always said never ever give up in your life. आपको कुछ भी अगर आज हासिल नहीं हुआ है वो आपको 10 दिन के बाद मिलेगा या तो 10 साल के बाद मिलेगा, लेकिन मिलेगा जरूर. But what are you asking for? How you asking for? How you manifesting that? Right? So I have helped those clients to manifest.
Okay.
And I have seen the result. मुझे रिजल्ट भी दिखे हैं. तो उसके हिसाब से मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि ये टाइम पे काम करें.
Okay, cool.
All right. Even if you see the date of today, we had decided how many days we have, postponed, postponed करके मैंने बोला 1 तारीख को करते हैं.
हाँ, 1 तारीख को करते हैं. 1-5
ये हो गया.
हाँ.
So it is like 1 and 5 becomes Venus. It's a 6 number. 5 is more of a Mercury. So that's how, I resonate things.
Oh, wow. Okay. अब मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा. मैं सीख रही हूँ अभी.
As an artist, you have to keep on, experimenting. एक तो experiment करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And the secondly, you have to keep on showing your work.
Yeah.
You have to improve your work. You have to master later, but improve first.
Yes.
Yeah. Only the improvement will get you.
Right.
That's how I define artists within you.
Okay.
All right. So I have done a lot of customized artwork for my clients. तो वो एक अलग sector हो गया. Then coming, the art is very vast. You can't hold on to कि इतना मुझे आ गया, मुझे तो बहुत सारा आ गया है. ये ज्ञान है ना, कभी भी खत्म नहीं हो रहा है.
खत्म नहीं होता है. True.
Okay, because there are a lot of mediums मिक्स मीडिया है,
Mm.
आप उसको मास्टरी कर रहे हो,
Mm.
देन यू नो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन आप कैसे उसको ढाल रहे हो,
Mm.
देन व्हाट इज़ द कंपोजिशन,
Mm.
देन कम्स यू नो कि आपका वो थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है ये आर्ट बनाने में.
Mm.
यू कैन डू द कॉपी पेस्ट.
Got it.
कॉपी
Yes.
पेस्ट करने में वो कॉपी हो गया.
हाँ, समझा.
तो वो आप अगर क्लाइंट को वो चीज़ चाहिए तो चाहिए,
हाँ,
दैट यू डू इट.
हाँ.
बट व्हाट इज़ योर आर्ट विद इन यू, व्हाट इज़
Okay.
योर थॉट प्रोसेस,
Mm.
आपने वो आर्ट क्यों बनाया,
Mm.
दैट इज़ ऑल्सो यू नो कलाकारी ये होती है ना.
हाँ.
तो वैसे ही अभी ये कलाकारी यहाँ पे है,
हाँ.
ये सेटिंग में किस तरह से रखा है, कलर
Mm.
कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है.
Mm.
तो उस हिसाब से अगर आप थॉट प्रोसेस पे जाओगे तो देयर इज़ एवरीथिंग इन टू आर्ट, लाइक यू नो
Mm.
design it. But when it comes to art, when you're showing your you know what is your inside you,
Yeah, okay.
the art within you,
हाँ.
then वो अपने सोलो में ही करो.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Mm.
So that I have done 2 solo art
Mm.
exhibition.
Okay.
One is the Enlightened Vision
Mm.
that I did it in 2017 or 2018.
Okay.
Okay. And the second one I did it in 2021.
Mm.
That was Circle of Life.
Mm.
Okay. So whenever I make a series of the art, जो मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस चलता है तो वो पूरा लंबा खींचता है.
Mm.
Then I make it at least 10 to 12 pieces of that series.
Okay.
So few of them get sold, and then you know
Mm.
you nurture that again. You nurture. Then you
Okay.
find your, you know, where is that me?
Mm.
What is
Okay.
my thought process going on?
Mm.
एक बार मैंने एक सीरीज बनाई थी only on trees.
Only on trees.
Okay, so it was like I did the tree of manifestation, tree of abundance,
Mm.
tree of life, tree
Mm.
of you know जैसे कल्पवृक्ष होता है
Mm.
manifestation में, like you know आप क्या
Yes.
सोचते हो उसके ऊपर मैंने सेल कर दी वो आर्ट वर्क. देन यू नो व्हाट इज इट दैट आई हैव टू डू नेक्स्ट,
Mm.
देन आप कौन सी और सीरीज पे काम करोगे. सो
Okay.
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट एम आई वर्किंग विद.
How do you get that idea कि ये थीम पे मेरे को काम करना है अभी? Naturally आ जाता है या बैठे कैसे?
नो
कहाँ
इट
से?
इज़ वेरी इंट्यूटिव.
Okay.
जब आर्ट करती हूँ मेरा बहुत इंट्यूशन काम करता है.
Okay.
देन इट इज़ लाइक यू नो कि आसपास की दुनिया मुझे समझ में नहीं आती.
हाँ.
आई एम जस्ट टोटली इनटू माय आर्ट
Mm.
एंड आई एम मेकिंग, आई एम
focused.
क्रिएटिंग दैट आर्ट वर्क. बाद में बात करती हूँ मेरे आर्ट से.
Ah.
वहाँ
Okay.
से निकल के फिर सोचती हूँ मैंने क्या बनाया.
Okay.
देन नेमिंग सेरेमनी कम्स लेटर.
Okay, got it, got it. Okay. So we have this question कि if an outsider has to understand your artwork, how would you explain to them? जैसे मेरे जैसे इंसान है और आर्ट में इतने सारे फॉर्म है, तो आप बोलोगे आयशा मेरा टाइप ऑफ आर्ट है ना ऐसा है.
ओके,
Mm.
आई डोंट डिस्कस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
नहीं, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना, आपको अगर मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है कि
अगर
this is
आप
the form I
एकदम
do.
इंसिस्ट कर रहे हो
Mm.
कि पहले तो मैं आप बोलूँगी आपको क्या दिख रहा है,
Ah.
यू नो,
Mm.
बिकॉज एवरीबडीज आईज आर डिफरेंट,
Different. Mm.
एवरीबडीज पर्सपेक्टिव इज डिफरेंट.
Mm.
तो आपको इस आर्ट में क्या दिख रहा है.
Okay.
Okay, you will have your own stories, you
हाँ.
have your own you know interpretation,
Mm.
and then I give a little bit of my perspective on
Okay.
the artwork. बिकॉज जो एक आर्टिस्ट का नज़रिया होता है और व्यूअर्स का नज़रिया होता है
अलग
डिफरेंट होता है.
हाँ.
तो उसी वजह से आई कीप इट माई परस्पेक्टिव लास्ट.
Mm.
फर्स्ट आई गेट देयर इंफॉर्मेशन
Ah.
बिकॉज व्हाट आर दे एक्सपेक्टिंग. बिकॉज यू नो पहले मैं हमेशा एक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड आई ओनली पेंटेड वुमेन.
Okay.
आई हैड पेंटेड अ वुमेन सीरीज, बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने बनाए थे
Mm.
और उसमें मुझे हमेशा राजस्थानी ही दिखती थी.
Okay.
ओके, राजस्थानी पेंटिंग बनाती थी.
Hmm.
एंड एक मैंने बनाई थी पेंटिंग डिटर्मिनेशन.
Okay.
ओके, सो इट वाज अ वर्लपूल
Mm.
एंड वर्लपूल के अंदर उसका चेहरा दिख रहा है.
Oh
ओके,
wow.
फेस दिख रहा है. वो काफ़ी फेमस हुई, काफ़ी न्यूज़पेपर पे आई, बहुत दिखी.
Mm.
एंड एक पेंटिंग मैंने बनाई थी क्योंकि जो आपके दिमाग में है, आपके दिमाग में क्या छाया हुआ है
Mm.
वही आप पेंट करोगे.
Okay.
तो मेरे जो बचपन में जितना भी किस्से हुए, लाइक अगर मैं जाती थी कहीं पे भी मॉन्यूमेंट्स देखने जाती थी, तो उसकी जो हाव भाव है, उसकी जो नज़ाकत है या कुछ भी है, एक वुमेन में ज़्यादा दिखती है. तो
दिखती है.
वो मैं हमेशा अपने आर्ट में डालती थी.
Amazing.
तो एक बार मैंने ऐसे ही डाल दिया कि इट इज़ अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डांस
Okay.
and there are 3 women who are dancing in the light.
Mm.
One woman is already enlightened
Mm.
करके.
Mm.
So people had a different perspective कि आप इस पार्ट के कंट्री में हो तो आपको वो नहीं पसंद आएगी.
Mm.
You know, there is,
Mm.
you have to accept it also.
Mm.
The culture matters.
Mm.
You know, then I learned कि अगर हमें कल्चर के हिसाब से देखना है तो ये कंट्री के हिसाब से आप कल्चर समझ लो.
Mm.
Then you try to interpret it according to their culture.
Mm.
And then I give my
Okay.
details.
Got it. So you
Otherwise-
mostly into this like फेस फिगर्स या फिर नेचर रिलेटेड होता है या एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आर्ट, कौन से काइंड ऑफ आर्ट को आप ज़्यादा फोकस करते हो?
Okay, when I used to start with the women. मैंने women से शुरू किया.
तब किया था, हाँ.
Okay, now I'm slowly मेरा composition is going abstract.
Abstract. Yeah,
Okay,
I've
and
seen
that
your
I
latest work.
Yes, so that's the because abstract version में है ना, आप उसको define नहीं करोगे कि एक वुमेन के हिसाब से है या किसी हिसाब से, तो सीरीज वैसे बनती है.
Okay.
अभी ट्रीज देते तो सबको मालूम है कि ट्रीज का फॉर्मेशन क्या है,
हाँ.
तो वो फॉर्मेशन क्यों हो रहा है,
Mm.
you know. So I respect that and I make more series on it.
Mm.
What is my thought process behind? So that time I was doing a lot of healing work.
Okay.
So उसी वजह से मेरा वो manifestation आता था. फिर you know, tree of love,
हाँ.
tree of couple,
Okay.
ऐसे ही couple dance हो गया.
Mm.
तो मैं हमेशा एक ट्री में like you know मेल एंड फीमेल का वर्जन दे देती थी, and you know the soulmate करके.
Wow.
So those paintings sold a lot.
Mm.
Maybe you are into social work,
Mm.
you know.
हाँ.
So those are the realms which you explore.
Mm.
So that's what I do.
Okay. एक अगर मिथ अपने को बर्स्ट करना है अबाउट न्यूमरोलॉजी और पीपल सीकिंग अ न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट, क्या होगा वो?
See, today is a smart world.
Mm.
Okay, it's not like nobody is dumb
Mm.
now because we are into AI,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
We get a lot of information through the AI itself.
Mm.
Google में जाके you can research,
Mm.
right? But what works for you?
Mm.
What works for you? If you feel that this is right for you, people have their own numbers.
Mm.
Always say stick to your numerology, stick to your own chart.
Mm.
Okay, maybe numbers are 9, 1 to 9 सब में है, लेकिन उसके साथ में आपका एक अलग सा एक नज़रिया होता है, as if you know चाय, just simple as that. If I prepare the chai, it's going to be different than yours.
Yes.
Yeah, so your flavor is different than mine.
Yours will be much better, definitely.
Yes, so similarly, in the formation of the numbers, what works for me may not work for you.
Okay, got it. Personalized होता है हर एक के
Yeah,
लिए.
so it's like a personalized work.
Mm.
So go to a right, perfect, you know, numerologist जो आपको सही दिशा दिखा दे.
Yeah.
You can't really, you know, wandering around and it takes 10 years to achieve what you want to achieve.
Mm.
और वो हो नहीं रहा है.
Mm.
Then you're not in a right path.
Right path. और एक चीज़ है, like while we were discussing earlier as well, we have couple of people in our communities as well who are numerologists, and you know sometimes like very first time they talk to me maybe on the phone और कुछ बातें चल रही, suddenly they ask my date of birth. आयशा आपका date of birth बता दो.
जी.
And then they say कि ऐसा ऐसा है आपका ऐसा करके. So I was like always, ये date of birth की पे आके क्यों खड़े हो जाते हैं? And then you mention the reason for that. Maybe
Yeah.
you can tell the reason once कि क्यों date of birth इतना important है numerology में.
Date of birth is important because that's a blueprint.
Hmm.
At the end, it's a blueprint, right? We work through our blueprint. We have that ability to shine through that. कभी कभार होता है कि people are good at one thing, but they are not good at, you know, maybe cooking नहीं अच्छा कर सकते, या तो वो काम अच्छा कर लेते हैं, लेकिन ये नहीं हो रहा है. तो there are numbers reflecting which doesn't work with them.
Right.
One person is like a traveler, but they may not be, you know, the things what they want to do. उनको चाहत है करना है, लेकिन नहीं हो रहा है, because that is not shining within you.
Okay.
If you really want to brush that, work on your numbers.
Okay. Is numerology the same as astrology?
Astrology, I would say that, you know, astrology and numerology are brother and sister.
Brother and sister. Okay. What is
They
the
are
same thing?
the children of the same father.
Okay.
That I would say.
Okay.
Okay.
क्या सिमिलैरिटी है और क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में, एक एक अगर बता दो.
नक्षत्र, it's like देखो देखने का नजरिया, न्यूमरोलॉजी में भी नंबर्स है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी में भी नंबर्स है,
Okay.
but they are having houses, right?
Mm.
Here it is like, you know, we work only on the 9 planets and we work according to those 9 numbers.
हाँ.
Whereas in astrology, there are different houses. What उस टाइम पे कौन से नक्षत्र आपकी लाइफ में शाइन हो रहे हैं,
Mm.
उसी वजह से आपको वो फल मिलेगा.
Okay.
That is a little more defined work.
Mm.
Make sense?
Yes.
But I dig in mostly in the numerology and it gives me right answers.
Right answers.
Yeah.
So both you can see the future, you're saying.
Yes.
दोनों में वैसे होता है.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm a part of a international numerology forum करके. So वहाँ पे हम सारे numerologists एक साथ जमा होते हैं, जैसे आर्टिस्ट जमा होते हैं या तो कोई भी स्ट्रीम के. So we work on a lot of, you know, different aspects कि इससे कैसे बेहतर हो सकता है.
Okay, got
So
it.
we work on that as well.
All right. So और एक चीज़ है, आपने बोला कि it is normally it is very accurate. You know, जब एक बंदा आता है आपके पास कंसल्ट कर लेता है, how is the, you know, the outcome of that? Have you always been successful?
See, there is always a time to change. Okay? If I say कि न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से आपका ये स्टार्स ऐसे है तो आप ये वाला काम करें. But sometimes you change your mind.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
Mm.
There is nothing like, you know, कि आपने ऐसा क्यों गलत किया.
Mm.
I'm not going to run after you
Mm.
or something is not going to bite you.
Mm.
But आपको वो ढूंढ के आना है,
Mm.
वो टेस्ट करके आना है.
हाँ.
Because you want to see the different way of, you know, how the things work.
Mm.
So that is also a way. But it will happen that way only.
It will happen that way only. Okay. All right. और एक ये चीज़ है कि अपना जो ये बुक है इसमें मैंने थोड़ी पिक्चर्स देखी जब हमारा ब्रेक टाइम हो रहा था. तो ये जो सारी हैं आपने ड्रॉ करी हैं या प्रिंट करवाई हैं जैसे?
No,
Because
it
you're
is
an
all
artist as well.
even the cover page is mine.
Even the cover page is
Yes.
designed by you?
Yes, it is designed. Then I have given to the, you know, जो compile करते हैं वो सब compile करेंगे
हाँ.
to make it look better.
हाँ.
But these are all done.
Even the
Yes.
this ones as well.
The illustration are done by me.
That's amazing. Wow, yeah, I can see your name as well over there. ऊपर लिखा, हर पेज पे लिखा हुआ है वैसे तो अपना name. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to read that to understand more about what numerology is all about. And any other myth that you want to burst about numerology? अरे यार आप ऐसे सोच रहे हैं numerology मतलब ये नहीं है.
See, it's a transformation. Are you ready for your transformation? Are you ready for the change? Because now the world is changing. Are you ready? Then only we can give you. We can help you.
Okay.
अगर मैं बोलूँ कि if you come with your some kind of a pain, you have some kind of pain in your thing, yet this is not working within me. I'll try to give you medicine, but I will not give you steroids.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? So what are you using for your, you know, transformation?
Okay.
And it is all about transformation. मुझे अलग कुछ करना है,
हाँ,
मुझे बदलना है, क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ जैसी है वैसी मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ अच्छा करना है. तभी आते हैं ना न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट के पास. अगर वो रेडी हो, आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प यू.
Okay.
Okay, so it's
It
all
should be
about,
both the
are
ways?
you ready for your change?
Okay.
Are you sticking to your old pattern?
Mm.
जैसे you said me that, you know, you changed your name. That is also numerology way.
Yeah, वो मुझे अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है. मैं
Yeah,
तो
so why
अलग
did you
intention
change
से
your
किया
name?
था.
So name has a lot of, you know, responsibility.
So what about Aisha name then? Maybe we can do a quick live one यहाँ पे ताकि people get to know. I've never asked anyone. Usually I don't ask what happens in the future क्या है. I love to experience the surprises of life. So that's me. ये नीचे खड्डे में गिरना है, गिर के ऊपर आएंगे, फिर देखेंगे वो भी टेस्ट करके, ऐसा वाला होता है मेरा.
See, the
You know?
name is such a beautiful कि आपको हमेशा वो date of birth से नहीं बुलाएंगे. You know, number 11, number 12, nobody is going to call you. They will call you with your sweet name.
Yeah.
So this sweet name, what you are having, which everybody is pronouncing on and on,
Yeah.
that's a vibration, right?
Yeah.
It's creating a big vibration. That आयशा भी है, तो ये आयशा ने अपना नाम चेंज किया, फिर आप यहाँ पे आए, दुबई में आके पूरा like, you know, then you decided that you want to work with your own brand, you want to shine on your own, be on your own light.
Yeah.
That's what you wanted to achieve, right? So you did it. But what made you? Because of the name, you changed A, if you see, the first
The first letter.
corner step,
Mm.
then the last, it has the same vibration.
Ah.
Want to be on its own.
Mm.
Okay, so if you are doing a partnership, it won't work with you.
It doesn't work.
So now you got it.
All my partnerships have flopped. That's why I kept मेरा own solo वाला. सबके सब चले गए, 10 के 10 चले गए partnership में.
नहीं होगा.
It never
Partnership.
worked. And they are like the nicest people I know. But you know, it turned out to be so ugly. And सब कुछ खत्म हो गया उसके साथ.
So you have to deal with the jealousy. You have to deal with lot of
I
aspects.
swear, I don't know. And I never see them on that ways also. मैं सबको ऊपर लेके जाना नहीं सोचती. This insecurity and jealousy of people,
No.
I don't know. I don't like
it's
that.
it's a number vibration.
It is because of that.
If you see the A has a one number,
हाँ.
A behind is a one number. So you always say that why am I seeing 11? Now that is
Oh.
also one way of looking at it.
हाँ.
So if you see the one आगे का
Mm.
as a A,
Mm.
one पीछे का as a A, last letter of your name, it has a big vibration to deal with it.
Okay.
So you have your own mind.
I do. मैं सुनूंगी सबका करूंगी खुद का.
So that's what the number vibration works with your name.
Okay, so we've got live. So people will come now. अभी सब लोग अपना नाम लेके आ जाएंगे वहाँ पे. मेरा नाम का बता दो.
जी
थोड़े
बिल्कुल.
लोग करते हैं ना double letters and all. I know of someone having double letters.
Yeah. But if it's not matching with your name vibration and your date of birth, which is not synchronizing, then you change. What are you into? Into the field of, जैसे social work कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए अलग से नंबर है. जैसे अगर आप ग्लैम वर्ल्ड में हो, ग्लैमिशियस काम कर रहे हो,
हाँ.
then that number has to shine within you.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, then you change something within you.
There's so
you know?
much into the science of
Yes,
numbers.
so that's regarding. I would say the simple language is numerology, and simple way of I've made it very simplifying the content. मेरा content बहुत simple है. Simple लोग समझ ले अपने लिए, खुद के लिए काम कर ले तो बहुत है.
Yeah.
तो मेरा लिखने का यही था. जो भी इसमें मैंने स्टोरीज बनाई है, स्टोरीज लिखी है, that are life composition of my clients.
Okay.
Okay. So those are the whatever the values I have understood from their life, I made their stories and then added in my book. So I've taken a permission from them and then
got it
took
done.
this initiative. But this has really enhanced their life as well as mine.
Amazing. And you've also got your golden visa?
Yes.
It was during COVID, I believe.
After COVID.
After COVID.
When I did my second solo.
Okay.
After second solo, I got this opportunity to have the golden visa. And I'm very grateful to Art and Culture authorities. They have really enhanced my work. They have seen my work and they have really, they have really appreciated, I would say. Because क्या होता है कि अगर वो appreciation नहीं मिलता और यहाँ पे UAE में बहुत है.
Yeah.
For they will appreciate art. They
Yeah.
will appreciate your culture.
Yes.
Even they will say that enhance those culture and what you think. It's like you're grooming that, grooming that space. If you groom that space in UAE itself, it has become a hub for the outside artists to be in UAE.
Yes. That's
Yeah?
right. Yeah.
Because they also want that appreciation.
Yeah.
They also want that कि मुझे recognition मिले. Right? So that's the opportunity which UAE has given us.
Amazing. And may you grow more in life and maybe be part of it, inshallah.
Thank
दूसरा
you.
एक चीज, are you writing your next book? सोचा है?
Wow. I have something in my mind,
अभी नहीं
but
बताना.
right now I'm working because I did the two books already on the numerology. My third would be different subject, and that's अभी खिचड़ी पक रही है मेरे दिमाग में.
अभी सोचा नहीं पूरा उसका आउटकम नहीं निकला है उसका.
Outcome नहीं निकला है because I'm working on this, to reach out to more people. And the third one, I'm working on my Heal to Empower book.
Okay.
Okay, that's like why people have to heal. If you think that after 10 years the AI is going to take over the human thing, what are you going to be?
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Yes, it does.
If you see that, if you want to reach from one place to the other, you just give a call and you already send your message, right?
Yeah.
But what about the AI tools which are, moving around and, giving a lot of more accuracy than the human.
Yeah.
What about the human? We still have the emotion body.
Mm.
To deal with the emotion body, I'm working on the Heal to Empower.
Amazing. So
That's the way people have to be, because you have an emotional body,
absolutely.
which the robot wouldn't have.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the emotion which you carry. That's the way we push ourselves
Right.
to move ahead for the success, whatever you want to achieve in life.
Mm.
Maybe a partnership, maybe a compatibility, in your business, in your life partner, whatever you choose to have.
Okay.
But what about your inner instinct?
Mm.
And sometimes you don't want to talk to the other people.
Mm.
But if you talk to yourself, what it would look like?
Mm.
People don't talk to themselves.
Yeah. I do.
They want to validate from the people outside.
I used to be that person. Now, what we have done is, in front of the mirror, I start talking to myself. I talk to myself a lot than anybody else. Yeah, फिर God.
That's better.
This too. Yeah.
That's cool.
Last option is my husband. I will be like, Alex, I want to vet it out now. Keep your ears ready. That's
Okay.
the last option because we get very less time together. So I
Okay.
want it to be more memorable and fun kind of. We are kind of the Tom and Jerry in the house, mashallah से. So जो भी थोड़ा मिलेगा मेरे को, we have it into like एक दूसरे की bullying करते बैठेंगे हम लोग.
Okay.
नहीं होता वैसे because we have a good age gap as well between. But
Okay.
कभी हुआ तो वो सुन लेते हैं because he doesn't judge.
Okay.
And likewise, I won't judge myself and the God won't judge me as well. He will give me another chance to fix my mistakes and maybe he'll hear me. तो इसलिए. So this is something what you have said. It's not common, but I've tried learning and tried working on that, and I hope to be like that. ऐसे continue करते रहें
So
consistently.
it's here you're confronting your own consciousness. Okay, conscious mind में एक होता है conscious mind जो आप बोल रहे हो. एक होता है सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में खिचड़ी पक रही है. वो खिचड़ी आप देख लो क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, and then you validate to yourself whether you really want to have that or you don't want to, you just want to have a taster.
Sometimes you really fight with that. Validate करेंगे मालूम है फिर भी उसी में जाके कबाड़े में बैठना है.
So it depends on your surrounding. Where are you located? What are you doing? How are you doing? And the life in India is different than UAE.
Yeah.
And life is different in US and life is different in UK.
Yeah.
So the place also matters.
Matters. True.
So these are the aspects you have to see. Where you want to be. How many years you're going to stay, first of all. And how much healthy you are.
Yeah.
So people don't see that.
True.
That comes after 50s.
I know. ये मैंने सीखा है अभी आफ्टर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बिल्स फ्रॉम द डॉक्टर. इंश्योरेंस भी कवर नहीं कर रहा है, बोल रहे हैं कि सप्लीमेंट्स हम नहीं देंगे. तो फिर आई मीन लाइक सप्लीमेंट्स आर यूजुअली नॉट कवर्ड इन इंश्योरेंस.
Absolutely.
हाँ, तो फिर बाद में मेरे को समझा कि उसके बदले ट्रेनर्स में ही डालो सारे पैसे हॉस्पिटल में डालने के चक्कर में. सो आई थिंक एट 30s अभी 34 में मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ है बिग टाइम आई नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई हेल्थ. माई बॉडी इज गोइंग टू गिव अप आफ्टर सम ईयर्स द वे आई एम वर्किंग. ऑब्वियसली वो जो कीड़ा भी है कि सब में अच्छा करना है, दैट इसका वो कौन है. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए मैंने, इतना आर्ट किया हुआ, अपने बुक के बारे में बोल दिया, न्यूमरोलॉजी के बारे में बोल दिया. नाउ द बिग कन्फ्यूजन, जैसे लोग मेरे को पूछते हैं व्हाट आर द सर्विसेज ऑफ योर्स, क्या सर्विसेज हैं, इफ़ यू कैन ब्रीफ अस वन मोर टाइम एंड वेयर कैन पीपल फाइंड यू, वो भी बता दो हमें.
Okay. First of all, parissagar.com is my website where you can find my artwork. Okay. So they can buy online or they can reach out on my Instagram or WhatsApp. That's where I sell my artwork, all the series of my paintings which I've done throughout
Okay.
these years. And then comes the customized artwork.
Okay.
Which I do it for the villas. Then if there is something requirement for the offices or hotels, we do the take a lot of 10 paintings, 20 paintings. We do that, and then accordingly we give that service.
Okay, got it.
So it's all about customized artwork.
हाँ.
So this is one services which I do under parissagar.com.
Okay.
And the second thing is that Heal to Empower, which I
Okay.
told you that I am going to write on that aspect.
Mm.
What is the Heal to Empower?
Mm.
Where Heal is HEAL,
Mm.
2 is numeric, okay, numeric, just because of the numerology, and empower. Everybody wants to be empowered nowadays.
Yes.
It's nothing like, kabhi kabar kya hota hai ki I see the Vastu also. Vastu is the place where we live.
Yes.
how that is resonating to your lifestyle, if it is working for you or it's going against your success, you know. So that's Vastu. Then comes numerology. So they go hand in hand.
Okay.
Okay, so the numbers do speak, the place where you live do speak. So those are the elements which work within you and around you. So I always say that, you know, whatever you are, wherever you belong to, it is there in your aura.
Okay.
Got it? So I give those services as well. जैसे न्यूमरोलॉजी के लिए पर्सनल न्यूमरोलॉजी होता है, बिजनेस न्यूमरोलॉजी होता है, कंपैटिबिलिटी न्यूमरोलॉजी होता है.
Okay.
Yeah, so before they getting marriage, is this marriage going to work for you? You know, I like to break the myth.
Okay.
I'm the person who likes to take challenges. So some of them, they in India they would say that, you know, कि 4 और 8 की शादी नहीं होती और इसकी शादी नहीं हो सकती. I'm the person who likes to, you know, break that myth and see that what it works for you. But I see that overall, are you in love? Love composition कैसा है आपका बीच में, between the two partners? If there is no love composition, the marriage would work, and sometimes it doesn't work, you know. So
Yeah.
it is also the temperament between the two people.
Right.
So that I see in the chart. Then comes the compatibility, then comes the Vastu, which I told you about, the residence. How are you building your house? How you are living your life. So I have started working on the personal, you know, lifestyle. So I do the lifestyle coaching as well.
Amazing.
Teaching. So it is like that's where I talk about the transformation. Are you ready for your transformation? Are you ready for the change? When you are ready, then the things change within you.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
So unless until, you know, किसी को पढ़ाओगे तो वो पढ़ेगा नहीं.
हाँ.
जब वो अपने अंदर से वो आता है कि मुझे पढ़ना है, तभी आते लोग.
तभी आते हैं.
So for me, my clients are very defined. I know how does it work. Are they ready for the change? And they are ready, they come. But now the things are changing as the AI things are coming, and so much of digital work is happening. Then there is a challenge of the work process, and we are working on it.
Okay.
Make sense?
It does make sense. लंबा list of services दे दिया, एक बड़ा सा इतना बड़ा चार्ट बना सकते हैं हम उसका. But that's how do you manage all of that?
I do manage. That's a time management.
That is time management that comes into picture. Amazing. And your Insta handles as well, if you can mention.
Parisagar Art, and that's for the art. And Heal to Empower, as I said, it's Instagram page.
Okay, cool.
So I do have a website. Both are having a website, parisagar.com and healtoempower.com.
Okay. One last question before we wrap this up. One life lesson to all the budding artists or maybe the budding numerologists या फिर aspiring authors, क्या होगा उनके लिए? सबके लिए
See,
एक
they
general.
all three things are very different.
Three different lessons for all of them.
See, for the art, I would say, what are you really looking for? You know, are you looking for teaching? Are you looking for just doing the customized art? Or are you looking for, you know, displaying your art? You know, क्योंकि दिल वाले बहुत है.
हाँ.
दिल टूटता भी है इसमें.
हाँ.
और बहुत सारे के टूटते हैं. और ये मैंने देखा भी है. Because, you know, they have that कलाकारी. बट वो कलाकारी इतना शाइन नहीं करता जितना दिखना चाहिए. काम दिखना चाहिए. आप जितना काम दिखाओगे, उतना काम करोगे, उतना काम अपना शाइन रहता रहेगा. Like, you know, you have to shine your light.
Right.
You can't say, okay, आज मैं हताश हो गई, मैं नहीं पेंट करूँगी. You know, you have to keep on, you know, encouraging yourself.
Yeah. Self-motivation.
Yes, it's all about motivation. You have to keep on motivating yourself. That how do you do differently? Because this is one-man show.
Yes.
It's not like, you know, you have a 10 karigar and people are painting for you and then you're selling. That's a different game.
Yeah.
So as an artist, I would say, work on your skill.
Got it.
More you work on your skill, more you show, then, you know, then things change, shift. What are you good at it? What are you good at it? वो होता है ना अंदर का कीड़ा, उसको हमेशा ब्रश करना पड़ता है.
Right.
you can't really leave as it is.
Huh.
You have to shine. That's the reason I always say whatever matter. If it is like, if you are into writing, writing a book maybe, you still have to brush your skill.
Yes, you
So
do.
this is how you have to work on your skills.
Mm.
राइटिंग इज ऑल्सो वो भी कलाकारी है.
Yes.
आप उसको ऐसे ही मत छोड़ सकते.
Mm.
तो और जो आपका कंटेंट है वो लोगों के लिए क्या हेल्प करेगा.
Right. Mm.
वाई दे हैव टू रीड योर बुक.
The purpose.
The purpose of your book.
Mm.
So that's for the author.
Mm.
And if it is for the, what else you had asked,
Numerologist.
numerology. नंबर्स के साथ आपको बहुत दोस्ती होनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
अगर दोस्ती नहीं हुई तो नंबर्स आपके साथ बात नहीं करेंगे.
No, okay.
Because have you seen the Matrix movie?
Yeah. Like
The numbers keeps on falling,
हाँ.
but it is the right dice.
Mm.
It clicks on you.
Okay.
And that's where your energy is merged with the other person's energy, and then you get the answer.
Okay.
And I always say that कि आपका खुद का वो सोच आपकी सही होनी चाहिए. आप किसी को भटका नहीं सकते.
Mm-hmm.
आप किसी को ठगा नहीं कर सकते.
Mm.
Like you have to respect their choices
Yeah.
also. You
Mm.
can't really put your thoughts.
Mm.
I remember one of the person had come to me and said that कि मुझे तो ये चाहिए ही चाहिए
Mm.
गर्लफ्रेंड.
Mm.
And I said नहीं होगा.
Mm.
कितना भी तुम कर लो ऊपर से नीचे कूद जाओ,
Mm.
लेकिन वो नहीं आएगी आपके पास.
Mm.
आपको अपना देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको क्या स्टडी करना है अपनी
Mm.
लाइफ में. आपके उसके पीछे सुसाइड करना है या आपकी लाइफ में एनहेंस होके आगे चलना.
Mm.
Some people do come in your life to just tap you.
Yeah. Push you a bit. And go
Yes, and they will not be your soulmate. They
Mm.
will just be your friend and tap you and
Acquaintance and
realize
then
you
you
and
go.
then move on.
Mm.
Some people could be your life partner.
Yeah.
So you have to see what works for you.
Got
So
it.
that is like आप किसी को कुछ बोल रहे हो,
Mm.
तो you have to work on yourself. Are you ready to be that change?
Yes.
Then you go for it. Otherwise, leave it.
Otherwise leave it. But that's so useful, all these life lessons, and I'm pretty sure all the authors and the numerologists and the artists, they are going to really take life lessons from this, and I'm sure it's going to help them all out. And Ms. Pari, thank you so much for your amazing time. I know you were extremely busy, but yet you came, you made it, and we made this finally after a lot of postponing. It's just been very considerate. I'm so sorry for keeping you waited,
No
but we
worries.
made it finally, alhamdulillah. And we'll wrap it up here. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. This is your host, Aisha Sheikh. Special thanks to our title sponsor, Khas IT, and our studio partner, Square 89. Until I see you all again, bye.